The Palomar knot. Pull your line out and double your line over about 6 inches. Put the doubled over line through the eye of the hook. And when doing so, you want to make sure the gap of the hook is facing your main line, and that will correct itself in a second. Pull your doubled over line through about 4 to 5 inches and make a loop on top of the fishing hook like that. And here you can see the fishing hook changed its direction. Now when that's bouncing around hitting the bottom of the pond or the bottom of the creek, the hook won't dig in the ground and snag. Now put this loop through this loop. Now you're going to bring the loop in my left hand over the fishing hook. Now you're going to pull these 2 lines you've been holding in your right hand. Now once it starts to get snug, if you keep pulling, it'll knot right there. So what you're going to do is drop the tag and pull the main line. And make sure all the fishing line comes over the eye of the hook. And tighten it down by pulling that main line only. Now you can cut your tag and leave about 1/4 inch.